How to add or remove Samsung account on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. From here, tap on manage accounts. Then to remove a Samsung account, tap on your Samsung account. Then tap on remove account. Then tap on removed. Here it says you need to sign out on some of the services. So tap on sign out. Now put in the password to proceed. Here it will ask me to confirm via my phone number. So tap on confirm. Okay, so put in the account password and tap on OK. And that's it. We have now successfully signed out. To add in the account, you go back to this same page, accounts and backup, then tap on manage accounts, then tap on add account. Here select Samsung account, and then enter in the email or phone number of your Samsung account. Now you can see that we can also sign in with your Google account. So if I tap on email or phone number, then put in the email and tap on next. Then proceed to put in the account password. Now put in the account password and then tap on sign in. Okay, once you have signed in, tap on I have read and agreed to all of the above and tap on the agree button. Here I'll tap on sign in again. It says processing failed, so something is happening, so we need to try again. Okay, after trying a few times, it now works. It says want a faster way to sign in. I will tap on cancel. And that's it. So we have now successfully signed in or add a Samsung account to the Galaxy S25 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.